So Sobia, you may start now.
Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Sobia, and I'm a PhD researcher in University College Dublin, Ireland. Imagine you want to renovate your house to reduce carbon emissions from the environment. You upgrade your windows, you upgrade to a better standard, better insulation, and a heat pump. But what if these renovations produces large amount of carbon into the environment? Which is, you can see the below hidden part of this iceberg on the slide. Today, most retrofit measures only measure the operational carbon, which is associated with the use of the buildings when the building is used, as well as the embodied carbon, which is coming from the material that goes into the building, which accounts 40% of home lifetime of a home. At the same time, the calculation or the information required to calculate this carbon is often scattered, which automatically needs the scalability of different methodologies in order to combine the trade-offs between the embodied and operational carbon. So the question becomes, how can we combine this fragmented information into a single unified AI framework that can produce transparent and auditable recommendation for better decision-making towards the retrofit of our homes? So that question became the foundation of my research. I introduce an explainable AI framework for whole life carbon assessment. The process begins with the building information, which we have geometrical and non-geometrical data, as well as the weather data and the building material. Once the data is collected and pre-processed, the data are transferred to the parametric modeling to estimate both embodied and operational carbon. The core novelty of this research lies in the middle of this slide, which is introducing AI agents. These specialized AI agents work parallelly in order to produce auditable results. One reasons about the operational carbon, another reasons about the embodied carbon, and the whole life carbon agent combines the results from the operational carbon and embodied carbon and produces transparent and auditable recommendation for the stakeholders. But what if the technology, what is the use of the technology if it's not helpful for the making of the helpful for the stakeholder? So I tried to include a novelty, another novelty into the framework by combining different stakeholder into a single unified framework. So as you can see, the national policymaker as well as homeowner.
Sorry.